Welcome to Mystic Trails, where we help you navigate the world of travel. Recently, major cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival have introduced new age restrictions, making it harder for travelers aged 18 to 21 to book cruises. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what these changes mean and share alternative travel options for young adventurers. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the new rules. According to recent updates, travelers aged 18 to 21 may face restrictions when booking cruises unless they're accompanied by someone over 25. This policy is designed to ensure safety and compliance with international laws, but it can be frustrating for young adults eager to explore the world. So, what can you do? Don't let these restrictions stop you from traveling. Here are some awesome alternatives for young adventurers. All-inclusive resorts. Many resorts in Mexico, the Caribbean, and Europe welcome travelers aged 18 and older. Look for ones with vibrant nightlife, activities, and no age restrictions. Group tours. Companies like Kentucky and G Adventures specialize in tours for young travelers. You'll meet like-minded people and explore incredible destinations without worrying about age limits. Road trips. Grab your friends, rent a car, if you're over 21, and hit the open road. The US, Europe, and Australia offer endless road trip opportunities. Hostels and backpacking. Stay in hostels, which are perfect for young travelers. Destinations like Southeast Asia, Europe, and South America are backpacker-friendly and budget-friendly. Adventure travel. Try hiking, camping, or volunteering abroad. Programs like Workaway and WWOF let you travel while gaining unique experiences. If you're set on cruising, here are some tips to navigate the new rules. Travel with someone over 25. If you have a family member or friend over 25, they can book the cruise for your group. Look for exceptions. Some cruise lines may allow 18 to 21-year-olds to book if they're married or in the military. Check the specific policies of each cruise line. Consider smaller cruise lines. Smaller or luxury cruise lines may have more flexible age policies. Do your research before booking. While these restrictions can be inconvenient, they're in place for good reasons. Cruise lines must comply with international laws, especially when it comes to alcohol consumption and port regulations. Understanding these rules can help you plan better and avoid disappointment. Traveling as a young adult is all about adventure and exploration. While cruise restrictions might feel like a setback, there are so many amazing ways to see the world. Whether it's backpacking through Europe, relaxing at an all-inclusive resort, or road tripping with friends, the possibilities are endless. What's your favorite way to travel as a young adult? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring with Mystic Trails.